this video and subscribe this channel for more update videos. So in useful information we have the first one, that is weight of steel per meter. So for the 6 millimeter the weight is 0.22 kg. For 8 mm dia of steel the weight is 0.395 kg. For the 10 millimeter unit weight is 0.616 kg. For the 12 millimeter unit weight is 0.888 kg. 16 millimeter 1.578 kg. For the 20 millimeter dia 2.466 kg. For 25 millimeter dia 3.853 kg. For the 32 millimeter dia 6.313 kg. And for the 40 millimeter dia of steel is 9.865 kg. So we can find out all these unit weight per meter with the help of this formula. So that is d square divided by 162. Okay, d is a die of steel and this is 162. Now we have the standard conversion factor, okay, in second. So 1 inch is equal 25.4 millimeter. 1 foot is equal 0.3048 millimeter. 1 yard is equal 0.9144 meter. And 1 meter is equal 3.28 feet. And 1 millimeter 0.0394 inch. 1 mile 1.6093 kilometer. And 1 Newton is equal 0.10 kg. Okay, so let's come down. Okay, so in other information, useful information for civil engineers, we have a concrete grade. So M5 grade is, okay, the ratio is 1:8 concrete ratio. Okay, for the M10 we have a 1:6. Okay, and for M15 1:4. For M20 1:5 and 3. And for M25 1:2. Okay, so look at here. One is here cement, okay, and 4 is sand, and 8 is aggregate, okay, or crush, right? So M5 mean or M10 means, okay, so M mean mix, okay, M is equal mix, okay, so M15 means, okay, that after 28 days it will gain the strength of concrete, that will be 15 Newton per mm square. Okay, so this is the strength of concrete for the M15, 15 Newton per mm square, like 5 Newton per mm square. Okay, and M20 means 20 Newton per mm square is the strength of the concrete after 28 days, right? So the other one, we have a weight of engineering material, okay, or unit weight of engineering material. So for the bitumen 1340 kg meter cube per meter cube. Cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. Cast iron is 7650 kg per meter cube. Steel weight is, or unit weight of the steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. And ice, okay, 913 kg per meter cube. Okay, and petrol is, our petrol we have 690 kg per meter cube. And water is, okay, 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, so this is the useful information for all civil engineers. Must like and subscribe this channel for more update videos. Thank you, all the best, bye.